Hello, my name is Fernando Perez. Welcome to this panel discussion. Today, we are joined by student Daniel Duque. Daniel Duque, welcome to this panel discussion. Hello, Fernando. Thank you so much for the invitation. Daniel, please tell us what was the most rewarding aspect of your pedagogical practice experience? Okay, Fernando, it's a good question. For me, the most rewarding aspect of my pedagogical practice was seeing how technology and collaboration transformed language learning. For example, in phase three, I proposed a virtual cultural exchange where students interacted with peers globally via Zoom. Despite initial challenge, like coordinating schedule, the excitement in their voices when discussing cultural difference was informative. Another highlight was the AI-powered storytelling activity. Some students use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas and create digital stories with Canva, for example. They creatively forced or one student even said, I never thought writing in English could be this fun. These moments confirm that innovative student-centered approach should engage the learners. Interesting, Daniel. Thanks for your answer. Please, how did your understanding of language acquisition theories evolve during the course? What did you learn? Tell us, please. Okay, initially I viewed language acquisition through a traditional lens, focusing on grammar, drills, and memorization, for example. But through this course, I discovered the power of sociocultural theory by Vygotsky and communicative approaches. For instance, my phase two theory analysis report emphasized how Krashen's input hypothesis explain the need for comprehensible input layer. In phase three, our debate highlighted translanguaging by Garcia and Wayne 2040, how learners use their foreign linguistic repertoire to communicate. This was a game changer, and now design activities, they blend one and two, like the cultural exchange to reduce anxiety and boost confidence. The EPICA webinar on AI in education in the phase three further showed how technology changes learning by changing the 2022 aligns with constructivist theories. Tools like ChatGPT aren't just gadgets, they scaffold learning, making theory practical. Okay, Daniel, thank you so much for your answer. Which innovative activity showcased in the poster at the Agora even did you find most effective for teaching and learning English? At the Agora event, the gamification poster showed out demonstrated how game elements like points and letter borders could motivate learners. I applied this in my AI storytelling theory by adding a best story boat with skyrocketed participation. However, my own algorithm posted addressed the low engagement in virtual classes. I propose project-based learning by Ansharin and Mohammadi 2018, where students solve real-world problems. For example, one group created a how to survive virtual classes, like in English, right? The combination of autonomy and relevance made their learning meaningful. Okay, Daniel, the last question is what is your evaluation and reflection regarding the products presented at the Agora meeting? The Agora products revealed two key insights. Number one, innovation. Peers lovers tools like FT by Course 2018 and gamification effective. Some posters offer clear assessment plans. I address my research assistant document by including rubrics for intercultural dialogues. Number two, collaboration. While my group's participation was limited, as noted in phase four, individual work taught me resilience. For example, my tutor's feedback on early submissions for phase four emphasized the value of time management, a skill I carry into my teaching career. Okay, Daniel, thank you so much for answer this question. Let us what is your opinion or what is your conclusion about this topic? Okay, in summary, this journey deepened my theoretical knowledge and showed me the transformative power of student-centered teach integrated learning. On the other hand, the Agora event was a testament to our collective creative, and I am excited to keep innovating as a future educator or teacher. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you, Daniel. Thank you, everyone, for your participation in this panel discussion. See you soon.